Welcome back to another video. Nail It Projects, guys. I don't know how long this is going to be, how short, but today's video, it's actually Thanksgiving Day, and brother and brother-in-law helped me empty out the greenhouse, so I could pour quickly on the floor, help kind of level it out. Since the dirt was settling, but yeah, all I'm doing is wetting. Put like 6 bags of Quikrete in here, keep the grass from coming up. Just wetting it down, let time and science do its thing. That's pretty much all I'm doing. That way, keep the grass out, because the base of it is dirt. And then wait for my new covers to come in to cover the whole side up, and then test and see how warm this thing stays. Yeah. I'm gonna come and wet it down one more time before it gets dark. Make sure it's nice and soaked.
Several days later.
Hey guys, it is 3:47 in the afternoon, and you can see it is how dark. I was hiding away inside until I had to go take some trash outside. I was like, whoa, it's not even cold. So let me come out here. Beginning of the video, so I put Quikrete down and I soaked it. It's pretty much solid. Still have the to do. I'm gonna get 2 bags and fill the edges in, so there will be no growth whatsoever in here. And I have some polycarbonate greenhouse stuff coming for the walls. I would buy it from Lowe's, they have it, but they want $45 a sheet. I don't have the money for that. Now it's starting to drizzle. Every time they say rain, no rain, but now it wants to drizzle. But hey, my plan is right now to see if I can chop these down, which are going to aid in building these higher. That's my goal for today. Just chop pallets down, make these boxes 3 levels high. And I need to figure out, y'all got any ideas? Help me out with this mold problem, please, so I can get rid of the moles. They're killing me. Also, I need to go back on the orchard back there. Haven't had water in a while. I'm gonna get to work. Oh, with no shelter from the wind, this is what's happening to them. They are getting torn up, but whatever survives, survives. I'm gonna let them do their thing. I'm not gonna pluck them out. They die down, they just add to the compost bin. That's all it is. They grow. I'm gonna put some wire or something back there, have some bamboo strips, let them grow on there and produce pumpkin. As suspected, that blade was gonna burn up. I hope I have another blade in here. Yay, I do. Yes. Oh yeah, I did buy another pack. Yep. Let me switch this one out and get back to chopping. Oh. Neighbor's cutting his grass. It's not much to cut, as you can see what mine looks like. Not much to cut.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they
before I cut the last pallet up, I just wanted to bring something to your guys' attention. So as always, HT, and this one, you can see the stamp on it real good. If you trace those numbers, it'll take you back to its origins. That's what I've learned online. All right. So only heat treated pallets I'm using for these type of projects. And number two, as you can see, this pallet has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big, I don't know, I forgot the terminology, but on the back, there's only 2 of them. All right. I purposely picked pallets that had more of the, let's say, 6-inch pieces on them because of what I was going to use it for. Yes, I could have the Vevor raised planter beds or what other brand you have, but I wanted to stick with pallets. Yes, it's easier. It shows up in a package. You put it together, you fill it with dirt, but that would take away my enjoyment of actually doing this. So it's me versus me, and the weather sometimes. But yeah, this is the whole reason. So maybe sometime in the future, I'm gonna get older and be like, okay, time to put away this stuff and get the actual stuff. Just buy it online, get it put together, you know. But for right now, I'm enjoying this. I am loving it, and I'm loving the outcome. I wonder why didn't you finish filling these beds? And here's the reason why. I'm gonna finish these and then come back to these and gotta fill them again. To me, it's just smarter in my head to make all the beds and then fill. I can bundle up as much as I want over the winter and just move dirt. Honestly, and these came out of the greenhouse. I'm gonna dump the dirt out of these into these beds so I can secure the bottom of these so the dirt will start coming out. Put weed barrier in it because the dirt was leaking out a lot in here, which is what promoting weed growth. See, you got another one coming up. Look at that. So I need the concrete in there. So I'm gonna dump the dirt out of these, put them in here, repair the bottom of these, put them back into the greenhouse and fill them up. In the military, or some organizations, there's a method to the madness. They may sound maddening to you, but I'd rather get all this construction stuff done now and then just push the wheelbarrow. Like I said, I can put on a headlamp and just push and fill till I'm tired and then go inside, or it's getting cold. But this is the reason why. So these get done, dump those out, fix the bottom of those, put them back inside, and I can just go ahead and fill to my heart's content. I'm gonna get me another 10 bags of that, and I've asked the young ones, cause they're like, we're bored. I was like, hey, come rake these leaves for me so I can put them in the beds, and that's what we got, and nothing else. But hey, someday, can't win them all. Let me get back to finishing the last pallet and at least get one of these done before it gets dark. All right, we got a nice stack. Okay, I'm gonna at least try to attempt laying one out and see if this sun ain't waiting. What sun? Yeah. I'm just gonna lay them out, see how much I actually need, and hopefully Wednesday I can achieve something. Oh, here is the bamboo pieces I told you about that I'm probably just gonna string across from tree to tree. make like a lattice type thing so they can run on there if they make it. It was on my trailer, and I'm trying to get my trailer situated. I'm about to start using it a lot. Right. Magnify. All right, 16 pieces per bed. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. For the short ones, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And it is 16 because, I don't know, you have this short piece. The ones on the end, pretty much just cut those in two. So I'll get 2 for this side and 2 for that side to bring them up. The stringers that I have stacked off to the side, right there, will use as support. And the corners, I'm gonna remove these 2x4s, drive stingers down there, and these joints will be overlapped so they're not meeting in the same place to avoid pressure collapse. Also, my irrigation system is not holding up to the best, so I'm gonna remove this and put these in these stacked beds over here and provide these with the 1/2-inch irrigation hose, more water. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because the last bed already has 1/2-inch in it. Yeah, most of them do 1/2-inch hose. So all I'm gonna do is just take these out and put T's in it. This one is gonna need it because it doesn't have the same thing as this. So I can actually get good water to these plants. Hey, nice little workout in 2 hours. Thought I wasn't gonna be able to get anything done. You guys didn't get a video last Friday. This is the weather and time, basically. But I think during the winter season, it's gonna be all prep for spring, honestly. So you guys are gonna see me do a lot of things to prep for the spring coming up. The water catchment system, one project. Rewalling the greenhouse the correct way is another one. And I know a lot of people buy their greenhouses, those kits, and like I said, it for me, it benefits me more putting it together. You know, I wouldn't say dreaming it up, I would just say putting it on paper, doing measurements, calculating everything. It's just me. Yeah, some of those greenhouses are lovely, and it's not a price thing. It's just me doing it, challenging myself. It's me versus me, honestly. So, you guys like what you're seeing? Drop a comment, give me a thumbs up. Hope you made it this far in the video. And I just find it kind of unfair to say, hey, in the beginning of the video, hey, give me a thumbs up, nah, I'll wait to the end. Hopefully you watched it all through, even if you skipped portions and you got to the end, you know, I'd appreciate it so much. So, a lot to come during spring, a lot of blooming. I have a lot planned. We'll see how it goes. All right, again, from my background, if you plan to fail, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. All right, so appreciate you guys. Street lights on, and I'm gonna take my butt inside. I'm gonna put my saws up first. Y'all have a good one.